This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing both clips into your project bin and checking that frame rate and resolution match. Mismatches cause jumps. Once imported, scrub and trim each clip's heads and tails so you only keep usable footage. Create a new sequence that matches those clip settings, then place the first clip at the timeline start. Make sure audio is routed correctly and that you enable snapping to align cut points precisely. This first setup saves time later when you join the second clip. Once the first clip sits correctly, drag the second clip directly after it, using snapping for a flush join. Play with J/K/L to shuttle to the precise frame where the visual action or audio wants to continue, then use Ripple Edit to nudge boundaries without leaving gaps. If motion is continuous, choose a straight cut for punch. If there's a mismatch, apply a short crossfade or dissolve of 1 to 3 frames. Make sure audio crossfades are matched so dialogue or ambient sound doesn't pop. You finish by rendering the cut area and watching it at full quality to confirm smooth continuity. If you notice a visual jump, extend a 1 to 3 frame overlap, try a micro speed ramp, or replace with a cut on action to hide the seam. If audio pops, add a short constant gain crossfade or normalize levels and re-render. Make sure your timeline settings still match source files. Once satisfied, export using original sequence settings to preserve frame rate and avoid reintroducing timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.